patients who have a hard time using inhalers, a quality nebulizer can make taking medication a breeze. Chronic lung diseases such as COPD or asthma mean many patients use a nebulizer, enabling them to inhale their medications safely and easily in the form of a mist. Our Respirite technology also ensures minimum wastage of medicine when breathing out. When it comes to your health, you need the best. You need the Dr. Trust Bestest Compressor Nebulizer, which is suitable for all types of medication. Low noise and complete with everything you need to get started, this unique nebulizer offers effective and efficient respiratory therapy. The kit includes a compressor, medicine chamber, mouthpiece, air tube, adult and child masks, and 5 extra filters for future use, meaning this nebulizer is suitable to be used by all members of the family. To get started, first place the main unit near a power supply. With clean hands, lift the lid of the medicine chamber and fill with your prescribed medication before sealing shut. The chamber can hold up to 8 milliliters of medication. Then, securely connect the tubing from the compressor to the medicine chamber to ensure optimum mist formation. You can use a face mask by pushing your chosen size into place on the medicine chamber and placing the mask over your nose and mouth, or simply attach the mouthpiece and close your lips tightly around it. Turn on the compressor and hold the medicine chamber in an upright position. Take slow, deep breaths in through your mouth, or nose and mouth if using the mask, so that the medicine goes deep into your lungs. Use the flow adjuster at the top of the medicine chamber to adjust the airflow as required, and continue until all the medicine is gone. Latex-free, easy to use and convenient to carry, the ergonomic design and effortless low-noise operation make this nebulizer suitable for all ages and abilities. The Dr. Trust Bestest Compressor Nebulizer also comes with our patented Respirite technology from the USA that ensures your medicine is converted into ultra-fine particles by the atomizer, deposited directly into the respiratory tract for maximum relief from many chronic respiratory problems. Get yours today.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.
Control-D offers a series of nebulizers for treating a wide range of respiratory diseases, such as COPD and asthma. Control-D Portable Nebulizer is an easy-to-operate, lightweight, and portable compressor nebulizer with advanced nebulization technology. The package includes a compressor nebulizer, medicine chamber, air tube, 3 extra filters, adult and child mask, making this an ideal nebulizer for the whole family. To get started, connect the main unit to a power supply. Connect the air tube from the nebulizer to the medicine chamber securely and tightly. With clean hands, twist and open the lid of medicine chamber. Make sure the green cap is in the place, as it is important for the mist formation. Fill the prescribed medication and close the lid of medicine chamber. The chamber can hold up to 6 ml of medication. Press the power switch and the nebulization will start. Observe whether the aerosol is generated, converting the medicine to mist. Hold the medicine chamber in upright position. Choose the suitable mask. Attach it to the medicine chamber. Put the mask over your mouth and nose. Take slow and deep breaths so that the medicine goes into your lungs. Breathe till the medicine is over. Use the child mask for kids. Easy to use, convenient to carry, and the ergonomic design makes the Control-D Portable Nebulizer suitable for all ages.
Here are some tips on using your IH18 nebulizer from Beurer. Pay attention to the instructions for use and safety notes. Connect the compressed air hose to the medication container. Connect the other end to the nebulizer hose connection by turning it slightly. Connect the device to the mains. Open the atomizer. Screw the top of the medication container. Place the atomizer insert in the medication container. Fill with an isotonic saline solution or with your liquid medication. The maximum filling capacity is 6 milliliters. Close the atomizer by screwing the top back onto the medication container. Connect any required accessories such as the mask to the atomizer. Connect the mouthpiece in the same way. Take the atomizer out of the holder and switch on the device using the on-off button. Place your lips around the mouthpiece. Breathe in the atomized medication deeply. Once the medication has been atomized, switch off the device. Clean and disinfect all parts and accessories of the nebulizer before first use and after each treatment. We hope you enjoy using your IH18 nebulizer from Beurer. Stay healthy.